Welcome to the channel, where we make everyday computer tasks simple and easy to follow. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a watermark in Microsoft Word. You can add either a picture watermark or a text watermark to your document. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer and open the document where you want to add the watermark. Next, click on the Design tab at the top of the screen. Then, click on Watermark and select Custom Watermark from the menu. You will now see options for adding either a picture watermark or a text watermark. If you want to add a picture watermark, select Picture Watermark and click on Select Picture. Next, choose from a file and select the picture you want to use as your watermark from your computer. You can also adjust the picture options to control how the watermark appears in your document. If you prefer a text watermark, select Text Watermark and enter the text you want to display. Then, you can customize the font, size, color, and layout of the text watermark. Once you are happy with your settings, click Apply and then click OK. Finally, close the watermark settings and check your document to make sure the watermark looks the way you want.